Welcome to Gwinnett OBGYN Associates, one of the oldest and most respected practices of its kind in the area. With board-certified OBGYN physicians and a large staff of highly trained and diverse professionals, women feel at ease knowing they're getting state-of-the-art medical treatment from a caring and compassionate team.
Our number one thing in this practice is to provide excellent care for every single patient that walks through our door, to answer every single question that they may have, to make them feel comfortable and happy about every process that they're going through in life.
I think the thing that most patients want is excellence in the ability to provide care, compassion, and for those providers to listen.
Gwinnett OBGYN Associates, it's a hidden gem in the Gwinnett area. I think all the other doctors here are very compassionate and very caring of the patients.
Each doctor is drawn to the profession because of the joy associated with it.
I think my job is amazing. I love my job. I love the fact that I can be a part of the most intimate and exciting part of a woman's experience of childbirth. And I think it's a miracle.
There's still, even at 10 till midnight last night with my last delivery, there's still a great sense of joy in seeing the look on those faces of the parents.
I read recently that we are there on the most important day of women's lives, often the happiest day, but even if it's not the happiest day, we're there to comfort our patients.
Following patients through pregnancy, through labor, and actually finally delivering a patient's baby, the joy that they feel is always just such a priceless gift.
Interacting with women and being involved in their care all through their life and at different stages of their life was what drew me to the specialty.
In addition to treating patients, the doctors also enjoy the sense of camaraderie with the staff and the other doctors. It's the kind of place where teamwork and respect have produced a very successful practice.
I love it because I feel like I'm part of a big team and we're all concerned about the same thing.
We're like a tight family. The nice thing about a group practice like ours is that sometimes we have difficult cases where we need to ask each other's opinion and brainstorm, and I can always go to one of my partners.
This practice, which opened in the early 1980s, was the first to have a female OBGYN physician as a founding partner. That history of diversity and inclusion laid the foundation for a progressive practice where women of all ages and cultural backgrounds can relate and feel comfortable.
A lot of the patients that come to me are usually patients that are close to my age or a little bit younger, sometimes a little bit older, but it's nice to be able to relate with your patients.
As a woman, I can relate more to a woman's body and special needs. Having had 2 children myself and having gone through 2 pregnancies and having delivered at the same hospital that we deliver our patients at, I can really give the patients a lot of personal stories.
Each doctor has their own experiences, training, and personality, so patients can benefit from seeing all of them during their pregnancies or for other healthcare needs.
Hey, Dr. Johnson. How are you?
One of the greatest joys I have as a physician, OBGYN, is to teach patients, to empower them with knowledge. It can be about their method of birth control or about the details of the surgery they are about to have done.
I am trained and certified in performing robotic surgery, including robotic hysterectomies, and I've been performing them for a number of years now. The advantage of this type of surgery is shorter hospital stay, less post-op pain, better cosmetics, and a faster recovery.
I pride myself in my calm demeanor, and I think that's something that you need in a physician, someone who's a good listener.
As a close-knit group living in a small community, the doctors of Gwinnett OBGYN Associates bring together their unique talents and training to help every patient and to help each other, while creating a cohesive environment they hope feels as much like family to their patients as it does to them. Gwinnett OBGYN is located at 1700 Tree Lane, Suite 290 in Snellville. For an appointment, call 770-972-0330. You can also request an appointment online.